Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up an OBS game overlay. So let's jump right in. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we begin. Make sure your game is already open or running in the background. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect your game in order to capture it properly. Having it running beforehand will save you time and prevent any detection issues later on. Once OBS is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Sources. Click on the plus icon there, and from the menu that appears, select Game Capture. This option is specifically designed to capture gameplay footage and is the foundation of your streaming setup. A new window will pop up asking you to name your source. For example, you can type something like Gaming Overlay to keep things organized, then click OK to proceed. This naming helps you identify your sources later, especially when you start adding multiple elements to your stream. Next, navigate to the Mode option in the window that appears. Click on the drop-down menu right beside it and select Capture Specific Window. This setting ensures that OBS locks onto your chosen game window, giving you a stable and consistent capture even if you switch between applications. Below that, you'll see an option labeled Window. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select your specific game from the list of available windows. Since your game is already running in the background, it should appear here. Once you've selected your game, click OK to apply the settings. Now you might need to adjust the size of your game capture to fit your canvas properly. You can resize it by dragging the red corners that appear around the game capture window. Position and scale it until it looks just right on your OBS preview screen. It's time to add overlays for your viewers, which can make your stream look much more professional and engaging. In the bottom left, navigate back to Sources and click the plus icon again. This time select Image from the menu. This option allows you to add GIFs, images, logos, or text overlays to your stream. Click OK to proceed. A new window will appear. On the right side, click Browse and navigate through your computer files to find your desired overlay, whether it's a GIF, image, text, or logo. Once you've selected it, click Open to add it to your stream. Just like with the game capture, you can resize this image by dragging the corners and move it around your screen to position it exactly where you want it. You can also add your webcam to make your stream more interactive. In the bottom left, click the plus icon again, and this time select Video Capture Device from the menu. Enter a name for this source, for example, type webcam, then click OK. In the device drop-down at the top of the new window, choose your webcam from the list of available devices, then click OK. Your webcam feed will now appear on your OBS canvas. Drag the red corners to resize it to your preferred size, and drag the box itself to move it to your preferred destination on the screen. This gives you full control over how your webcam appears in relation to your gameplay and overlays. And that's it! You've successfully set up your OBS game overlay with gameplay capture, custom overlays, and your webcam, creating a professional streaming setup ready to engage your viewers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.